While marking the center stage for South Indian film industry, SIMA embarks upon promoting South Indian cinema globally. SIMA 2015 returns to the glorious city of Dubai, and as we announce our 4th edition of awards to be held on August 6th and 7th, we would like to invite, like I said, the lady behind all this grand success, Mrs. Brinda Prasad, chairperson of SIMA, to share a few words with us. Can we welcome her with a round of applause?
We're very excited to come back to Chennai to announce the 4th edition of Micromax SIMA 2015. It's been a pleasant journey, a very exciting journey, and I should take this opportunity to thank the 4 South Indian film industries who've been very supportive and who've patronized us, because of whom we've been able to come this far. Also, I'd like to thank Micromax for being our title sponsor, and looking for and hoping for future collaboration as well. Also, I'd like to specially congratulate Rana on his victorious film that just released, Bahubali, which is an epic. Congratulations, Rana. And thank you, Tapsi, Anirudh, Amrapal, for being here this evening. As it's already been mentioned, SIMA is the largest viewed South Indian awards in South Indian television, which speaks for itself. I think I have to thank the viewers, the fans, because of whom and whose patronization it's come this far with roaring TRPs, and it's actually given us a bigger responsibility where we've set benchmark, setting it higher and higher every year. This year, to call on that, we have 20 scintillating starstruck performances, which is the exotic part of SIMA. With just a couple more weeks to go, we're really excited to pack our bags and fly to Dubai. Can't wait for the gala night, the 2 nights that are very exciting, filled with a lot of felicitations, a lot of celebration, a lot of fun, and it's like coming back together, the 4 South Indian film industries reuniting as one big party. So thank you all for coming, and please stay tuned. And I'd like to take this opportunity to thank the media and press as well for being so supportive. Thank you so much. Enjoy the evening. Thank you.
Thank you for sharing those wonderful words with us. One box office hit after the other. And no doubt she's truly gorgeous and even more talented as a person. So please put your hands together for none other than Amala Paul.
Ellarkum vanakkam. Good evening, everyone. I was waiting for that end part to hear if it's me or you.
All languages, right?
Yeah. Anyways, it's really a pleasure being here, extending, at least a little support that I could extend for SIMA Awards, because it's a very, very special family, and I think SIMA has become something which I or most of us actors look forward to every year. It's it's an opportunity to meet all our contemporaries and co-actors. I think I started most of my friendships and relationships there. The very good bonding happens during these awards. This year also I'm really looking forward to it, and SIMA is definitely getting better and bigger every year, so all the very best to SIMA Awards. Thank you.
Thank you. With us, Mr. Shubhajit Sen, Chief Marketing Officer. Can we give him a big round of applause and welcome him?
And also we're very, very happy to be associated with SIMA for the 2nd year, and we really hope that this relationship continues into the future. I'd just like to say that why do we want to be associated? Because it's not just about the TRPs, those are important, but it's not just about that. But what really the South Indian movies and the industry personifies for us is that they're always at the cutting edge of performing arts. Whether it's in terms of use of technology, whether it's in the use of new ways of narrative, new stories, new actors, it really is at the cutting edge of cinema. And we would like to believe those are values that we hold very dear to the Micromax heart. And at all points in time, we want to keep pushing the boundaries and keep making sure that we come up with technology that is accessible to everyone. And just like today, we are launching the next SIMA awards function. This is also a very proud day for us in Micromax because we are in the process of launching our range of 4G phones, but we'll probably talk a little bit about that outside this meeting. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Hi, good evening, everyone. Truly said, I'm associating with SIMA for the first time. So, Micromax SIMA 2015. This is my first ever appearance there, and it had to be special, so I'm performing this time. Some things will never, detach you, and detach from you. So South Indian film industry is one of them. Even though I ventured into Bollywood, people kept on asking me questions about, so you're going to leave South. I was like, that's never going to happen. And the fact that I'm still continuing signing movies down South is a proof for that. And I will never stop that till the time you people want to see me, that is. And thank you so much, SIMA, for giving me a chance to perform this time. I didn't really have a release in 2014, so they can't really award me this time. But I know how much effort it took from Shri to actually convince me to come for an award, because I'm not really an award-friendly person. I don't think many of you have seen me in many awards attending the show, but then whatever I choose, it has to be the best. So here I am attending the SIMA 2015 this time. Thank you.
Thank you. There was a very singer who's won millions of hearts through his music. He continues to break records with his sensational musical hits. So please put your hands together and welcome the youngest music composer and singer in the Indian film industry, Anirudh. The big.
Ellarkum vanakkam, very good evening to everyone. I think this is the fourth SIMA. The first SIMA, the second edition of SIMA, I think I went to perform. The third edition was again very memorable because I could bag an award, and I hope selfishly this time I can bag another award this year also. SIMA has always been something to look forward to every year. Once it's over, within our circles we keep discussing as to when SIMA is going to come back for those 2-3 days, not for anything else, but as Amla said, I think we make good friends over there more than anything. I think bringing everybody together, I think that's what SIMA signifies these days. So it's a great feeling to be there and be amongst everybody in the film industry and have such a good time with everyone without any egos or anything like that. So I think it brings about togetherness, and I'm so happy to be part of it this time also. Eagerly waiting to go to Dubai on next month, so hoping to see you all there. Thanks.
Thank you, Anirudh.
Ellarkum vanakkam, good evening. So this is, I've been part of SIMA for the last 3 years. The first year I partied, after that I just started hosting. And today we speak about South Indian cinema going international. I think SIMA was somewhere the front runner of all this. They've been constantly beating it bar on bar each year, making it a better and better event, putting all our 4 states together, putting it in an international destination, making it as big as any world classic award function can be. So I'd really have to appreciate and thank Brinda and Vishnu and the rest of the SIMA team who've constantly been doing this. And thank you for having me as part of your family. And Micromax, this is the 2nd year. I'm hoping they'll continue being with us many years. So it's a fun event. Trust me on that. So thank you guys. Thank you very much. We'll speak later.
Thank you so much. Will SIMA gets along the best of South film fraternity and adding more glamour, Rana Daggubati to kindly come forward as Micromax.
I love that. That's the newest phone for me.
And of course, the performance master phone, the Canvas Night 2. 2 spectacular phones that are being launched today. So that's again the Canvas Sliver 5, the world's slimmest phone. And the performance master phone, the Canvas Night 2. both packed in with super fast 4G LTE connectivity, ensuring speed for information and entertainment. I'm going to request both of you to stick around. I'm going to request both. Thank you so much.
Ellarkum vanakkam. Good evening. It's been a pleasure here coming and seeing this. Full House and Events Unlimited is going to welcome you all in Dubai. We are going to organize this event there, and we have already set up all the things there. We are ready, and we are waiting for the August 6th to welcome you all. Thank you very much, and I once again thank Brinda and Vishnu for trusting us and given us this opportunity, and hope that we will do it in a better way, and we guarantee that this time will be one of the best in the history of SIMA. Thank you.
I landed last evening just to attend this press conference. I'm quite excited about it because I've been doing a lot of Bollywood events over there, but this is going to be my first South Indian event, and I'm really looking forward, because being a South Indian, I was always wanting to do a South Indian event, and I'm very thankful to Jason to have given me this opportunity, and Vishnu, thank you so much. So I'm waiting for everybody over there, quite excited, and look forward to seeing all of you there in Dubai. And Brinda, we all are going to work as a team, and we will rock. And I'm sure it is going to be my personal ambition to take SIMA to a higher level of excellence. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.